I have for you will see no ending. Well, if you look into my eyes, then you should know that you have nothing here to that, nothing here. And you can lay your question down, 'cause if you hold me, we can fit into the night, and you'll know the world will die, and everything in life still to share and cry. This time may pass, but longer than I last, I'll be by your side. Travis, shut up. Ali Turkey, shut up. Take my hand, gently close your eyes, you so could understand that there's no greater love tonight than what I'm for you. Well, if you feel the same before me, then let go. When you journey to a garden, no one knows that it's short, my darling. Tell me that you love me, so we can fit into the night, and you'll know the world could die, and everything will lie still. Longer than I last, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Akasi, Sisi, Migalab, shut up. Time may pass, but longer than I last, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Thank you so much, Ali Turkey. Love, shout out everyone, guys. Ali Turkey, Apple Z, Zizi, and then Travis. Shout out everyone, guys. Ipin mo si Ali Turkey. Binaba niya si harong niya. I remember the days when you were with me, those laughter and tears we shared for years, memories that we had for so long intimately. Now you're gone away, you left me all alone. Go on, do what you want, but please don't leave me, it'll break my heart. Hey, What should I do? Maybe I'm missing you. Please don't disappear. Here are the words that you should hear. Time and time again I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Oh, I need you. You've been a part of me. I wish someday you'll be back home, 'cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. Evangeline, shoutout po. Ayan, mega love shoutout everyone, guys. Ate Ping, mega love shoutout sa lahat from Mimi. Shoutout Mimi. Sis Bicolana Official, mega love shoutout. Shoutout po sa'yo, Mimi. I was wrong when I hurt you. Why did you have to hurt me too? Did you think the bait would make it better? I don't care about the past. I just want our love to last. There's a way to bring us back together. I must forgive you. You must forgive me too. If you wanna try to put things back the way it used to be, 'cause there's no sense. Wala pa, hindi pa ako. Kala ko nandito na. So let's not bring the past up anymore. The good we had, we only keep track of the past. Truth, you know I never really loved her. Tell you yet, but to forget is to forget. How can you get mad if you don't remember her? I must forgive you. You must forgive too. If you wanna try to put things back the way it used to be, there's no sense doing and over the same things as before. So let's not bring the past up anymore. out everyone, guys. Ayan, maghanap tayo ng iba. Ali Turkey, mas mawala na ako. You were just part of a dream, nothing more, so it seemed. But my love couldn't wait much longer. Just can't forget the picture of your smile. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, you came alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it a time, just a little more time, we'll be together. Every little smile, that special smile, twinkle in your eyes in a little while. Giving it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer, you and I. So much stronger than before. Why that is like a dream, so much more, so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration. With just one smile you take my breath away. So hold me close and say, you'll say with me now. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it a time, just a little more time, we'll be together. A little smile, that special smile, twinkle in your eyes in a little while. Give it a time, just a little more time, so we can get closer, you and I. Ako'y sa'yo, ikaw ay akin. Ganda mo sa panig. Ako ngayon'y nag-iisa. Sana ay tabihan na. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan, ayokong mabuhay buhay ng malungkot. Ikaw ang nagpapasaya at makakasama hanggang sa pagtanda. Halina tayo'y humiga sa ilalim ng puting ilaw. Sa dilaw. Parang mahina. Hindi ko masyadong matimpla. Pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw sa dilaw na buwan. Dapat pala kasi reggae, kaya pala reggae pala dapat. Reggae mas maganda. Parang ang hina nito. Ayan, partner, akyat ka na dito. Matutulog na tayo ng pusong rinig sa kalawakan. Say what? Wait. And I spent so many nights setting my tortang so long, and I can't go strong because of my tortang so long. Biglang may box from outer space. Nakita ko sabay kinuha ko yung box from outer space. Binuksan ko at nasindak my picture pa'y sobrang laki. Tinikman ko waiting 5 seconds na uubos ko. Parang mani ang ganito. Kung di ka Pizza Hut o Shaky Shore, not welcome in among. Ngayon aking pizza pie, ayoko nang mahiwalay. O pizza pie, handa akong magpakamatay. Yeah, as long as I pizza pie, I know when I live I wanna all my life garlic 54 and double piece and pizza pie. Ang pizza pie, hey, 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 hey. Nanghina, shut up. Ito ba ang sayang? Gusto ko pang pizza pie, ngunit nanghina ang pera'y sapat. Ito I spent so many nights of feeling sorry for myself. It made me cry. Hala na ba kung pizza pie ngayon ako ay kipid? Hindi na ako stupid person na hindi nagtitiis. Medyo mahal. Ay ganito. Kung di ka Pizza Hut o Shaky, you're not welcome in mo. Ngayon sa aking pizza pie, ayoko nang mahiwalay. Para sa'yo handa ako magpakamatay. Ayan, shout out everyone guys. Welcome to our co-host. my partner, Mr. P, Mr. Nature P.
Shoutout sa lahat. Big will love. Shoutout sa lahat ng mga pa-VGB sa gusto sa live ng pay. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Salamat, salamat. Ayun, may ipot yung internet ko eh.
Bakit?
Sarado po. Ingay nagsala.
Uy, ang ingay. Ang ingay mo dyan.
Kumaingay.
May ano siya, may iko-iko.
Karas. Maingay pa siya, hindi.
Maingay pa, sobra. Lumakas.
Bakit naggaras ka siya? Naggaras siya.
Masakit sa tinga.
Ayun, okay na siya. Wala na.
Okay na.
Kanta na ako.
Ay, hindi.
Tula na lang.
Yes. Ikaw na. Mag-mute na ako.
Ano bang mantahin mga...
Mga modern. Mga disco na lang tayo.
Modern.
Yes, disco.
Modern talking.
Disco.
Sige, disco.
Sige, disco. Maestro.
Sige. Pwera, ikot lang. Shoutout sa inyo lahat.
ليبتون زيرو. زيرو سكر وطعم 100%.
Love is a burning fire, stay. Roy Amanpe. Thank you. Shoutout sa lahat. Partner Brenda, saan ka na yan, partner D? Nawala. Thank you so much. Andik mo love. Shoutout sa lahat. Ready ka na ba dyan, partner B? Ayan, sige. Wala pa siya naka-ready. Nawala. Boy, stars and
Tapos na?
Anong tapos? Nakatapos na kanta eh.
Ay, nakatatlo ka. Sorry.
Yes.
Practice lang to guys ha. I don't know this song but I'm just trying. Team Watin, shout out. Daisy Full, shout out. Evangeline. Di ko alam to. Bahala na. Sundan ko na lang siya.
Sige, bahala si Batman.
Seven Million in the house, shout out po. Tonight, there'll be no darkness tonight. Hold tight, let your love light shine bright. Listen to my heart and lay your body next to mine. Let me feel your soul with all my tears. You're a woman, I'm in love. This is more than just a game. I can make you feel so right. Be my lady of the night. You're a woman, I'm in man. You're my fortune, I'm your pain. These are things we can't disguise. Be my lady of the night. Lay back in my tenderness and take all of the sweet breaths. You get all of me. I can't go wrong if you agree. Zone to heart will beat and ecstasy. You're a woman, I'm a man. This is more than just a game. I can make you feel so right. Be my lady of the night. You're a woman, I'm in love. You're my fortune, I'm your babe. These are things we can't disguise. Be my lady of the night. Tama.
Kayang. Mabilis yung
You're a woman, I'm in love. This is more than just a game. I can make you feel so right. Be my lady of the night. You're a woman, I'm in love. You're my fortune, I'm your fame. These are things we can't disguise. Be my lady of the night. Natapos din nawala na yung tao. Back to you, partner.
Kaya, mabilis yung version yung napili mo. Shout out sa lahat. night tonight. Give me the honor, give it honor, chance tonight. Give me the honor, give it honor, night tonight. Give me the honor, give it honor, world. That's alright, you win this whole. Take a chance, leave everything behind you. You can win this world, and easy to survive. You line for living in the open, all alone like Tarzan boys. Hide and seek, we play alone. We're rushing across the forest, monkey business on Saturday afternoon. Give me the honor, chance tonight. Oh yeah, night tonight. Give me the honor, night tonight. You and play, yeah, night tonight. Give me the honor, chance tonight. Oh yeah. Shoutout sa lahat. Ngayon ba, pagkabagin sa ating ulang sa lahat. Habang kumakanta kayo dahil naghiwa-hiwa tayo ng mga patatas, bell pepper, sibuyas, luya, at bawang. Banat Ritsua.
Practice.
Maganda yung pag-practice sa sayawan mo rin.
Ay, sumasayaw talaga ako. 5 million in the house, shut up! Matagal, no? Matagal pala to. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my lover. The time is right, and you're staying by my side. And the love you give to me make my heart beat. When my fantasies fly away, but my feelings make me stay. I see the fire in your eyes, it makes my heart beat. Do it, we still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it, in a way, like there's no another. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Ano yan? Shout out! When my heart is full of love, makes me a turtle dove. Love's the game that we play night and day. When our love is clear and bright, it's our way to see the light. There's a fire in our hearts night and day. Do it, we'll still do it night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we'll still do it and the way. Like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Do it, we'll still do it night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we'll still do it in a way. Like there's no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Do it, we'll still do it night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we'll still do it in a way. Like there's no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Ayan, back to you, my partner.
Thank you so much. And we will love shout out lahat. Kaya Ma'am Evangeline, we love shout out Ma'am Daisy Paul, Ma'am Honesty, shout out sa lahat ng dyan sa 7 million. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, Dion.
Wala akong alam. Again. Practice lang ah. That Arizona skies burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. Burn in my soul like a California gold. Found the light in me that I couldn't find. Sweet all you said, I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. Practice lang po, hindi ko alam. Nawala na tuloy. Always remember us this way. Saway ka, pinapractice ko lang. Saglit. Lovers in the night, oh, we trying to ride. We don't know how to win, but I damn we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that you will never die. So when I wanna shake, I cannot find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the bad won't play, I always remember us this way. Oh, iba na naman. Ano to? Pinahirapan man ako nun. Hindi ko talaga alam. Promise. Yun na lang. Buti pa Bisaya, maintindihan. Mabigkas ko pa yung English. Hindi. Kaubay mo sumayaw, kayo ba'y simlawas? Yahoo! Kaliwa kong lalibong, may pakidu-kidu kapagad, pitik sa imong asiki. Hoy, Idol Steve, ganda! Labi na kong tsa-tsa ang tukar, di timing nga kagad. Kaubay mo sumayaw, kayo ba'y simulawas? Labi ko na talibong, may pakidu-kidu kapagad, pitik sa imo mga sikit, labyog sa imo mga kamot. Labi na kong tsa-tsa ang tukar, di timing nga kagad. Mayaong palingi-lingi, mayaong pauroy-uroy, nganyaong paliad-liad, gan patuwad-tuwad. Halapi kahibirahi tsa-tsahe, kay bangi sa buwas waragut inini, salit-saling gabut ibaghot imusiki, bisan pa maibas imbulong singsiri. Halapi kahibirahi tsa-tsahe, ikipot ang bubot ng tuda-tudahi, kay basi ganahan ang padis mo pirme, sumayaw sin puerte. Kaupay mo ba'y simulawas? Labi ko nakalibong, may pakido-kido kapagat, itik sa imong nga siki, labyog sa imong kamot, labi na kung tsatsaan tukar, itay ming ikagat, kaupay masumayaw, kayo ba'y simulawas? Labi ko nakalibong, may pakido-kido kapagat, itik sa imong nga siki, labyog sa imong kamot, labi na kung tsatsaan tukar, itay ming ikagat, mayaon palingi-lingi, mayaon pa uroy-uroy, ganyaon paliad-liad, gan patuwad-tuwad. Halapi kahi, birahi, tsatsahi, kay baangin sa buwas, wara na good ini, salit-saling ambot, ibago di musiki, bisan ka maibas, imbal-ug sinsiri. Halapi kahi, birahi, tsatsahi, ikimbot ng bukod, ng tudak-tudahi, kay basi kanahan ng badis mo permi, sumayaw sen puerte. Mahirap mag-practice talaga. Dong, kung partner. Partner, ikaw na! Nasaan ka na? Hello? Hello? Nawala na. Where are you? Where are you now? Partner, may utang kang isa ha. Hindi ka nagpaalam. You tell me you're in love with me, like you can take your pretty eyes away from me. It's not I don't wanna say, but every time you come too close I move away. I wanna believe in everything that you say, 'cause it sounds good. But if you really want me, move slow. There's nothing about me, you just have to know. Sometimes I run, gotta be, but only I really want to hold you tight, treat you right with you day and night. Baby, all I need is time. I don't wanna be shy, oh, oh. Every time that I'm alone, I wonder why. Hope that you will wait for me. You see that you're the one up for me. I wanna believe in everything that you say, 'cause it sounds good, but all that really wants me move slow. There's nothing about me, just have to know. Sometimes I run, sometimes I'm scared of you, but all you really want is to hold you tight, treat you right, be with you day and night. All I really want is to hold you tight, treat you right, be with you day and night. Baby, all I need is time. There's no one but me. 5 million in the house, shout out. La 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 la. Dora! Sometimes I had heard of you, but all I really want is to hold you tight, breathe you tight, with you day and night. Sometimes I had, sometimes I heard of you. But although I really wanted to hold you tight, I'll treat you tight, I'll be with you day and night. All I really want is to hold you tight, be with you and night. Ayan. Nahirapan. Ayan, nandiyan ka na, partner.
Yes! Nandito. Tag-iwa-iwa ako ng manok.
Dalawa
Oh,
sa'yo
yeah.
ha, dalawa kinanta ko.
Alam mo, ganun ba yun? Bayad-bayad.
It's
Okay.
your
Ano lang ako ng manok para lutuin bukas. Big big love, shout out sa lahat ng idol si Bal. Shout out kay Juan TV. Wow! Mga Evangeline. Rasa big big love, shout out sa Bal. Tama ay. Mr. Hongkak Tagbahaw. Sige. Ikaw ang taon. Salong-songs daw sa akin eh, kasi punishment. Mr. Serpente, River. Sige. Pagilon.
Nakadalawa ka na, partner?
Gusto mo, tatuhin ko.
Sige, pabor.
Sige lang, okay ra. Kantayin, ayaw niyo kanta.
Sige.
River of Babylon! Try natin yun. tayo ng kanta kasi pangit siya. Ba't eh? Palit tayo ng iba din. Hindi natin nakadong kilalang kung kayod. I go around people save some affection. Go around people wonder why. Some are that pebble tell is actual. Some are that where the goes on. People say pebble the pebble of town. Hearts spread around big situation. All about me. 1960. Tell me what to say. Baby, please let me on one more time. 1968. Tell me what to say. You are the greatest lover of my life. Go around people say for affection. Go around people shining down. Traveling nothing find no distraction. Go around people riding around. All the time, all guys out of information. I'm sorry. Help I admit maybe your heart. 1968. Tell me what to say. Baby, please don't let me one more time. 1968. Tell me what to say. You are the greatest lover of my life. Ganun sana, pwede pa may morning. Order B. Thank you so much. Ikaw na partner at kantahin mo yung one-way ticket. Siga kung atong lang siya. Partner B, kantahin mo na yung one-way
Sige,
ticket.
mag-practice ako.
One.
One way, hanapin ko.
Siga kung atong lang siya.
Practice lang ha. Hindi ko alam. Si Kang Gatong Vlog, shoutout po. Oh. Yeah. Nandito Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket to the blue. Choo-choo train, tracking down the track. Gotta travel and never coming back. Ooh. Got a one-way ticket to the blue. Ay, 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 ay. La baby, love me. Now long and the turn around and all the travel I can see. Oh, got a one-way ticket to the blue. Gonna take a trip to Lonesome. Gonna stay at Heartbreaks Hotel. A full satire, there's never was. I cry a tear so real. A ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket to the blue. Choo-choo train, tracking down the track. Gotta travel and never coming back. Ooh, got a one-way ticket to the blue. Tama. I gotta, yeah. One-way to the blue. Gonna take a trip to Lonesome Town. Gonna stay at the Rick Hotel. Oh, a full satire, there's never was. I cried a tears so wet. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket to the blues. Choo-choo train, tracking down the track. Gotta travel and never coming back. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Wow, wow. Hey, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Gotta take it. I'm tracking on. I found my love. Train, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, one-way ticket to the blue. And my ticket I'm tracking. I found my love. Sinipon man ako, partner. Ito pa, partner, halat. Wait.
Sige.
pa.
Banat.
Nasaan na yun? Ito, pakinggan mo. Na? Oh, hindi nga. CD? O, di CD na pala. Pindutin mo yung pinakawala, bilog. Oo. Yung bilog, oo. Pindutin mo tapos ma-1 po ito. Pag nag-click na 1 po, i-open mo na ma-open na yan. Night I dream of San Pedro, just like I'd never got. I knew the song, a younger with with eyes like a desert. It all seems like you started in a far way. Tropical, that island rest, all of nature wild and free. This is where I long to be, La Isla Bonita. And when the samba play, the sun is in the honey. Love with San Pedro, warm when garden on the sea. He called me, the atmo. I prayed that the days would last, they went to pass. Tropical, the island brings all of nature wild and free. This is where I long to be, La Isla Bonita. Lullaby. Nawala na ako si ate kasi ang kulit. Hindi ko kasi alam si ate. Tanong na tanong. Nawala talaga ako, promise. I dream of San Pedro. It all seems like yesterday, not far away. Tropical, the island friend, all of nature wild and free. This is where I long to be, La Isla Bonita. And with the summer play, the sun would settle high, ring through my ears, the string my ears, your Spanish love alive. Ayaw ko na, ikaw na nga, partner. Nawala na ako. Ayan, sorry. Si ate kasi ang kulit. Nagpa-practice, hindi ko kasi alam. Promise, hindi ko alam. Ulit-ulit. Tanong. Ikaw na, partner.
Shut up! shout out kay Sir Wins. Ito si Pal Lilo sa Kalatong Bikulan. Shout out. Thank you and your turn. Shout out. This one goes out to what I love. This one goes out to what I love. Big mind and fall out. Occupy my time. This one goes what I love. This one goes out what I play. This one goes out what I play. And go out, oh, by my side. This one goes out the what I play. Gotta know, amen. That's me. You're happy. Fire. What I felt. This one goes on what I let it on. Not a crowd, occupy my time. This one goes on what I love. شكرا صدها
30 يوم تنزيل مجاني لا محدود على أكثر من 20,000 متجر ومطعم. اطلب الحين.
شكرا صدها There is love always that you feel seems to haunt deep inside your mind. All alone I have cried silent tears followed by in a world made of steel, made of stars. Well, I hear the music, 'cause my eyes feel the red. Wrap around, take my all of my heart. Big alarm shout. Now I hear the music, 'cause my eyes are ring, and a place pick my heart, oh my heart. But it I understand it's your turn, partner. You gotta have a bad people love Jonathan. And he is
Sunday morning after the dark, I think I'll take a walk in the park. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. I got someone waiting for me, and when I see her, I know that she'll say, hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Sunday, this is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me, ooh, it's a beautiful day. Birds are singing, you're by my side. Let's take a car and go for a ride. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. We'll hold hands, follow the sun, making Sunday go on and on. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Someday, this is my beautiful day. When you say beautiful day. Hi, beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Ooh, it's a beautiful man. Hi, beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Ooh, it's a beautiful man. Ayan. Back to you, my partner.
Shut up, Babu TV Vlog. Thank you for coming.
Singers PH.
Ito yung kinakanta mo eh. Dapat ikaw kakanta nito. Wait a minute around.
Okay lang, pagkatapos mo ikantain ko ulit.
Ikaw kumanta kasi hindi ko hindi ko kabisado talaga. Kaya ikaw kakanta. Yung ang favorite ni Carly ko ng Spring.
Ikaw na. Dali na, dali.
Ayaw ko nga. Ayaw ko. Pang-type. Hindi ko type.
Nahiya
Hindi ko
ka,
type
Noy.
siya.
Nahiya ka sa akin? Kanino ka nahiya?
Kay Sir Babo.
Nabitin si Idol Sipal nabitin. Kanta ka na. It's your turn.
Kanta pa ko.
O, ikaw baga, kakatapos ko lang.
Away ko nang kumanta nun. Ayaw ko. Kabisado yun. Ano lang. Parang ikoy na. Duble na. Ulit lang guys, mag-ano tayo. Okay. Shout out to lahat. By the river of Babylon, where we sat down, is it proven when remembrance is onward? By the river of Babylon, where we sat down, when remembrance is Lasing na talaga go Kaiser. Kaya ganyan na kinanta ha. At punta, nandun ibilangan. By the river of Buffalo, there is sand down. Yeah, we went. But remember Zion. By the river of Buffalo. It's your third partner, Love Jonathan, maraming salamat. Sir Babo, ito si Pastor Mel niya sa Mamping. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Ikot siya. It's your turn, partner. Dubli-dubli na. Ayan, partner, right ko na. Testing lang yun.
Sige, mag-testing tayo guys, testing! Ayan, sayaw-sayaw sa baba guys. Partner, open cam. Sayaw please. Partner.
Patay yari, open cam.
Dali na. Hindi ko to alam ha.
Nakobat ako eh.
Uya ati ka, samput lang. Pagparagsak kay tarik na. Idyan tay agi ko na. Agim pa pakipot, agim pa pagkiina. Isabot sa batarik na. Uray apoy tsura na. Nuna pintas igrag na nama. Igol lang awikot na.
Baruray.
Naintindihan mo? Narigatig nagpili, naguran unang di ka matagtag agari.
Biko na lang.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Huwag ka maingay, nag-aaral ako eh. Nadita nakaganggalusam, ipagat mo di kayat-kayat trik na amo. Kay pobre na babadang uray pugot na nanapati. Naglidam tinsaan sa lingka katunay abang banggutan. Narigati mabaakan, narigati ka maawan. Arik mumot kataawan, agka tanggatang akaitan, patuob maramnan. Biig sa bibig ang kanira raso amaan. Ano si katay na piunay, pagsak man to, di na ka ay buktudod mo to liday. Ay daal to sinay, sa isang tutkasan unay, tikinaway taktak, tukanoy nay na ay. Iriririt, pirit, narigati agin didi, narigati ka na pili, naguran to di ka matagara. Di mo na sayang tibigin, sikat na makadiri, nagdatiri awit, iumanaw babawi. Di kaya, naghitaya, itay baka nga, di kwarata, adik katugkog kasag, no di naman mapunta-punta, o gali ni kindagtaway, asik kasukat upay, nag-ula-ula. Piririt, awis ritit na bakang nawaan na inyong originay, laang ka muna'y tuon ng lusyang. Dudua, may lusyang. Naintindahan ko lang dito, lusyang. Dudua, walwalan, mailawlawan. Uray, sino basta napundo, mapiay raspak, unay nga uuno, dila kita manglulupo, dila titida bisyo, suotin nila taawan adu sa aswaw. Pirit, narigat agi didi, marigat to napiili, nagurat to di ka matagtagari. Di masayang kabagim, kasikan ni mapirdi, lagi napirdi, umonim babawi. Di mo siya ginatawin, sa sikat mapirdi. Ayun, o di ba nakuha ko? Ilocano daw to eh. Ilocano zone. Sorry na murder eh. Ikaw na, partner. Partner, wag kang tatago dyan. It's your turn. Ay, hilingan na. O, nahulog pa. Na-nosebleed ng kanta ko, hindi na kaya. Na-nosebleed. Ilocano daw yun eh. Saglit, ibaba ko muna yung hagdan para makaakyat siya. Wansong ka pa lang, gandang babe. Bakit ilan ba? Nahulog na talaga. Na-nosebleed ng kanta ko. Ay, nosebleed kayo guys na. Ito pa. Ipanumpa ko na nga kitang duha, magtiunay sa ato nga gugma. Abi mong kita magkadayo na kaysa gugma ko na numpa ka. Ilit ibiyaan ikaw nga naghilahap, maunang dagway mo kung sa amin daw mabuak. Kay gikumot-kumot sa dakong kamot, ang dughan mong pagkadako-dako sa gugma. Kay gikumot-kumot sa dakong kamot, ang dughan mong pagkadako-dako sa gugma. Gikanumpa ko na nga kitang duha, magtiunay sa ato nga gugma. Abi mong kita magkadayo na kaysa gugma ko na numpa ka. Ilit ibiyaan ikaw nga naghilahap, maunang dagway mo kung sa amin daw mabuak. Kay gikumot-kumot sa akong kamot, ang dughan mong pagkadako-dako sa gugma. Kay gikumot-kumot sa akong kamot, ang dughan mong pagkadako-dako sa gugma. Kay gikumot-kumot, gikumot-kumot, gikumot-kumot. Ilit ibiyaan ikaw nga naghilahap, maunang dagway mo kung sa amin daw mabuak. Kay gikumot-kumot sa dakong kamot, ang dughan mong pagkadako-dako sa gugma. Kay gikumot-kumot sa dakong kamot, kay gikumot-kumot. Ako'y na problema kung asa na makakita, sa dahon nga laya akong amigo na tinga. Dili na siya mahimutang sakit iyang dughan, kay dugay na daw siyang walar karap. Rapapam-pam-pam, rapapam-pam-pam, kaku iyang isi abot sa dalunggan. Rapapam-pam-pam, rapapam-pam-pam, lami ang natural kontra sa kaiyahan. Sila krisis nila tinuod, ang tinuod ana isa pa nakabugtod. Lingi-lingi sa wala, lingi-lingi sa tuo, abanti lang gamay, tadayong ang tulo. Rapapam-pam-pam, rapapam-pam-pam, Gandang Sipal, Bisaya. Sayaw kayo dyan guys sa baba. Nganong gihatang man sa atong amahan, di patubo ang tanong para sa atong tanan. Iruy mong giibagan, di bawalan, kay inyong gikakaon bato amoy kayutan. Rapapam pam pam, rapapam pam pam, naku iyang isi abot sa dalungan. Rapapam pam pam, rapapam pam pam, lami ang natural kontra sa kaiyahan. Sila krisis sa panagkabugtot, lingi-lingi sa wala, lingi-lingi sa tuo, abanti lang gamay, tadayon ang tulo. Rapapam pam pam, rapapam pam pam, naku iyang isi abot sa dalungan. Rapapam pam pam, rapapam pam pam, lami ang natural kontra sa kaiyahan. So much. It's your turn, my partner. Ay, bastos na hulog. Natakot basta talaga ako Tinitiripan ata ako nito ni partner. Promise. Tiripan mo ako, partner. Ang tipo kong guys sa aking buhay, sarap magmasahe, bigay na bigay. Banayad humagod ang kaniyang kamay, at kung pumisil, wala pang aray. Mula sa noo hanggang sa paa, sa kaniyang masahe, mailap ka. Sa sobrang sarap, napatirik ang aking mata. Huwag dyan, may kiliti ako dyan. Huwag dyan, kasi relax ka lang. May kiliti ako dyan. Huwag dyan, may kiliti ako dyan. Huwag dyan, kasi relax ka lang. May kiliti ako dyan. Dakula, ate. Dakula, malaki. Lalo na macho, bigay na ako. Buo ang loob, malaki ang braso. Bukol ang muscle, laging mabango. Baka ang gusto ko'y maging sa iyo. Mula sa noo hanggang sa paa, sa sobrang napatirik ang aking mata. Huwag dyan, partner, may kiliti ako dyan, partner. Huwag dyan, may kiliti ako dyan. Huwag dyan, baka lumabas naman ang ano, baka may lumabas na naman dyan. Tayo dito ng kamates. dyan, may kiliti ako dyan. Ikaw na, partner. It's your turn.
Shut up! Shut up! Wala yung internet ko.
Saan ka galing?
Naggala-gala. Sa kusina. Pag hina internet ay... Remember all right. Free all in your life. You're someone want to be with you. Only you. Turn my life, turn it this way. Touching the night, I feel it heavy. Touching the night, love you. Touching your light, night is aching. Touching the light. Favorite rider. Sadyaw sa tanan. Bataong di ko lang matambok kong maniwang bakol man o pungkol. Alas sayaw. You handling this guy. It inside my heart like in the
Ayan, may guest tayong paparating, guys. Wait, ibaba ko muna ang fan. Aakyat si Ma'am Veg from Canada. Canada ba yun? Ayan si Never Heard. Never Heard. Akyat ka dito, gusto mo? Ayan, may hagdan na. May hagdan na, Ma'am Veg. Akyat ka na po. Binaba ko na. Hanapin pa daw. Hanapin niya pa daw yung LS mo, ate. Nakababa na ako ng StreamYard, di ba? Ayan. Okay na? May sound eh? Ayo? Doon akong alam Di ko sasabihin, pinilit niyo ako. Sasabihin ko na rin, hindi kakahalat. Ako'y marites, at baka ako sa kangkungan pulutin. Ito pala si ano ni Juan. At si Juan naman pala ay pinuwan ni ano. Nandiyan na yung hagdan. Kakababa lang. Akyat ka na lang po. Kitang-kita ko yung ano ni Juan. Pinuwan ni ano. Sa ano ni Juan. Wala kong alam, di ko sasabihin. Pag pinilit niyo ako, sasabihin ko na rin. Huwag nang ikakalat na ako'y marites, at baka ako sa kangkungang pulutin. Ito naman si Juan pala ang inano ni Juan. At si ano naman pala ay pinuwan si Juan. Ma'am Johnny, kakarating lang. Partner, aakyat si Ma'am Paige. Hinahanap pa yung ano ni ate. Ayan na, wait lang. Nandiyan ang hagdan. Oh. She's from Canada. Ibaba ko ulit. Ayan na po. Mga milagrong sekreto na di ko na lang sasabihin. Mahirap na. Kitang-kita ko yung ano ni Juan. Inuwan ni ano. Sa ano ni Juan. Kitang-kita ko yung ano ni Juan. Inuwan ni ano. Sa ano ni Juan. Kitang-kita ko inuwan ni ano. Ang ano ni ano. Inuwan ni Juan. Ay, tapos na pala. Wow. Partner, it's your turn. Thank you so much. Ayan, i-welcome muna natin ang ating guest. We have a special guest from California.
Mega love shout out everyone. Good evening, and good morning, good afternoon.
Thank you for coming up.
Kumusta na mga mga gaganda at mga gwapo?
Natamimik ka man dyan, partner. Takot na takot ata sa'yo. Uy, nahulog. Kanina pa yung
Uy,
nahulog.
nakakaya naman, umakyat lang ako.
Hindi, kanina pa siya nahuhulog-hulog. Mahina yung signal, nakalima na atong hulog. O, paano yan? Bira!
Ay, hindi pa ako ready.
Ay, grabe. Hindi talaga? Hindi pa talaga?
Hindi pa.
Ay, hindi pa? Nahuhulog si kanina pa yan. Mahina daw ang kanyang Mrs. Johnny, shout out! Anong oras na dyan sa inyo po? Mrs. Stage. Umaga dyan, di ba sa inyo? Opposite time tayo.
12:47.
Afternoon. Lunch.
Anong kakantahin ko?
Ano tayo? Rock and roll. Iyo, ulong.
Pa.
Ay, akala ko ilongga.
Ilongga, hindi ko kabalo ano sang Ilongga ah.
Pinagkanta ako ng ilongga. Yung papirit ng papirit, ilongga pala yun. Papirit,
Ay, di-
papirit, pirit.
Shut up,
Hindi mag-Ilocano
bitch.
ako. Ay, Mr. Nature Painting, mag-love shoutout. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Kahit
Ay,
ano
hindi.
mamitaw, sabi ni,
Pa.
Ma'am, Sir Nature, hindi ako teacher.
Shout
ano lang daw,
out.
gandang veg.
Uy, hindi ah.
Ano pala?
Simpleng buhay, kay ganda. Merong ngiti, merong ngiti.
Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng boses niya, guys. Wala pa yan unpiit, ha?
Anong oras na pala dyan, Miss Bicolana?
9:47 p.m.
Uy, kanina pa kayo? Ayun, nakadalawang oras na pala.
2 hours, yes. I'm waiting.
Nag-aantay ako ng ano eh. Hindi ka naman nag-PM.
Kayo. Hindi, inaantay din kita eh.
Kasi sabi mo mag-PM ka sa akin hanggang ano, kung hindi pa ako nagtanong.
Sorry na. Magkanta ka na daw.
Ayaw mo lang ako paakyatin. Hindi pa nga naka-on yung ano ko eh, laptop ko. Kanta mo na
Ay,
ikaw.
Kasi, Mr. Nature muna. Partner, it's your turn.
Kay Mr. Nature ka muna. Thank you.
Ako ba? Sige.
Yes po.
Everybody hurts sometimes. Joke lang, hindi ko alam ang kanta na yun. Sting lang.
Nag-aantay kami. Oh. Sabi ko, ba't ganun?
Testing ko lang yun na patamong babae. Hindi ko alam yun.
Yung ano na lang paborito ko, Mr. Nature, please. Thank you.
Oh, sige.
Ngayon lang ako mag-request ha.
Shout out sa lahat. Shout out. I've been passing time, watching prayers fly all of my life, lying on this hand, watching silver shine. We sing through the day, someone waiting home for me. Telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. All of my life, looking back as lovers you're walking by. All of my life, wondering how they make and what make it last. If I fall the And there's so much more no one ever heard before. Some tell me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. I had a feeling just to be you all of my life. It's you, it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Maybe it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Thank you so much, favorite Ma'am BIG.
Thank you, Mr. Nature. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Ang gagaling kumanta ng mga host at saka yung isang co-host dyan.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Sharon.
Sana all magaling kumanta, no?
Yes, sila magagaling. Ikaw, si partner B, magagaling. Testing mo sa akin.
Oh.
Oh, sige,
Wala
kanta
bang
na
side B
kayo
dyan na Mr. Nature kung testing lang?
Meron. Ayan na.
Oscar ka po, salamat.
Take me to your heart, choose where to start. Play with me the part of your first love. All the stars are bright, every west is out tonight, my love. Feeling you so well, trusting love to bear, finding out so late that it blows there. Never let it go. They will never know the way of love. Get to believe in magic. Tell me how the people find each other in a world that's full of strangers. You've got to believe in magic. Something stronger than a moon above. 'Cause it's magic when the people in love. I never know why I need you so. All I need to know is this feeling. Handle it with care. We were born to share these dreams, my love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me how the people find each other in a world that's full of strangers. You've got to believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when the people in love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me how the people find each other in a world that's full of strangers. You've got to believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when the people in love. Tell me how the people find each other so much and feel love. Shout out sa lahat. Brother Partner B at Ma'am B.I.G. and Ma'am Page. Shout out sa lahat. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Pwede ako magbaba ng ano? Pa-thumbs-up lang kung okay lang.
Siyempre.
Okay, thank you. Ayan guys, yung binaba ko. Pa-support naman natin kay Sis Maria Grace TV. May ano siya, may upcoming LS.
Yun, shout out sa lahat.
May mga surprises yata guys. Aywan ko kung ano.
Ay, ganda na kayo.
Kanta ka lang, Mr. Nature. Thank you.
What you say is real. Oh, I have to blame you for adapting what you feel. Oh, stranger, you were just a dreamless fool. I took for granted the friend I am in you. I was living for our dreams, loving for the moment, taking the world. That was just my style. I look into your eyes, I can see it forever. The search is over. You were with me all the while. Last forever. Well, we fall apart. All them confusing. This question of the heart. You follow me to changes of planning of you wait. Helping my senses to some mental grief. I was living on my dreams, loving for a moment, taking on the world. That was just my style. Now I look into your eyes, I can see it forever. The search is over. You were with me all the while. Now the high streets all behind me, love that I have lost. Broken heart lies beating out again. Did not love find a light from the blue. Everywhere highway leading me back to you. To hold you, I've always said it done. This must come full circle. Our destinies are one. So every show me that you give me a job. You know the man I really am. I was living for our dreams, loving for the moment, taking on the world. That was just my style. Then I danced in your hand, I could hear you whisper, and silence over. Love you right before my eyes. Thank you so much sa big love joys na yan. Partner, ikaw na naman pamedyo yan. Shout out sa lahat. Thank you.
Yan, galing. Thank you, thank you.
Ayan, shout out everyone guys! RMD shoutout po. Ayan na, kakanta ng ating special guest.
Anong special? Dati na akong ano rito, no? Special ka pa dyan. Patay. Ngayon na hindi gumana. May music ba?
Opo. Meron.
I don't know why you said goodbye. Just let me know you didn't go forever, my love. Please tell me why you make me cry. I beg you please on my knees, if that's what you want me to. Ang bilis Never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Just one more chance, another chance, and let me feel it isn't real that I've been losing you. The sun will rise within your eyes, and happy together. Never knew that it will go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Maybe today I'll make you stay a little while, just for a smile and love together. For I will show, nawawala ako guys, a place I know. Nawala na ako, na-distract ako sa asawa ko. Never knew that it will go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Never knew that it will go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Mega love shoutout, Mrs. John. Si Kang Ato, mega love shoutout. Idol si Paul, mega love shoutout. Bago TV, mega love shoutout din. Thank you. Back to you, host and co-host. Hello? Nawala na sila.
Galing
Kuya, hindi ako magaling.
Side B.
Galing Side B daw.
Side B. Okay.
Okay, so we got a busy day. Are you buying
Na-distract
in?
lang ako kanina.
Definitely, yeah.
Pasensya na po.
Get everything you need at Campbell's
Haba naman
Kitchen
itong ano na to.
so you can brew. Flip.
Excuse me. Don't lose your way with each passing day. You've come so far, don't throw it away. Living, dreams are for weeping, wonders are waiting to start. Live your story, faith and glory, hold to the truth in your heart. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever. When clouds roll by, for you and I, souls in the wind must learn how to bend. Seek out a star, hold on to the end. Valley, mountain, there is a fountain, washes our tears all the way. Words are swaying, someone is praying, please let us come home to stay. If we hold on together, I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever. When clouds roll by, for you and I. When we are out there in the dark, we'll dream upon the side. In the dark field, good night, Idol si Paul. Warm our hearts, everyone. Pause na ako. If we hold on together, tagal naman ito. I know our dreams will never die. Dreams see us through to forever. As high souls can fly, the clouds roll by, for you and I. Ikaw na, host. Hindi na ako, na-pause na. Thank you, thank you. Tinawanan tuloy ako ng anak ko. Back to you, host and co-host.
Galing Share us na.
Tinawanan nga ako ng anak ko eh. Ba't nawala na si host?
Nawala na hindi na kumanta Pardon me, every breath you take and every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I devote to you. game you play, every night and day, I'll be watching you. Oh, can you say you belong to me? On the hard eyes, with every step you take, every hold you make, every word you break, every smile you fake, every climb you take, every watching you. Ano ba yan? Di ko mahala. Ayun na po, tol. Ano ba yun? Palitan ko na lang. Hindi ko kabisado yun. Okay. Oh, wait. There's something I just have to say. I don't think that I had what I feel inside. Not a day. Know where I love you. If I get too close again, I don't want to see it. If I tell you tonight, will you turn off the light, walk away, know where I love you. I'm gonna take you by surprise and make you realize a Monday. I'm gonna turn you right away. I can wait another day in Monday. I'm gonna say like a man and make you understand a Monday. I know. I feel like today is the day, looking for the word to say. Don't you wanna be free? Are you ready for me? Feel this way, I don't wanna lose you. So maybe it's all I know. The feeling takes so long to grow. If I tell you today, I will turn me away. Let me go. I don't wanna lose you. Hey, good one, shut up, man. Get in, shut up, man. Miss Carrie. And DLT, whatever, what happened to you? What's happening? I'm gonna take you by surprise and make you realize Monday. Ano nga pamabagat? Papamagat? Pumping? I'm gonna tell you right away, I can wait another day and day. I'm gonna take you like a man and make you understand on Monday. Mabing anong pamagat na nakalimutan? Forgive me. Oh, sige. We can share together. Thing lang. Please forget it. The way I do, I wanna wait my whole life through. Ayun guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Ayun naman. May request, Ma'am Penny. Please forgive me. Kantahin ko muna at kayo na mag-standby na. Ano na 10 o'clock na, tapos 3:35.
Ano oras na dyan, Mr. Nature? Thank you sa pagkanta pala.
10:80 na, tapos
كوباية
igising ako
من
mga
شاي لبتن
3:35 para
الأخضر
magluto.
اختيارك اليومي المفيد.
Thank you.
Last song. Like with a baby life. Last song for the guys. Oh, listen. Still feels like our first night together. Feels like the first days. It's getting better, baby. No one can better this. You're still number one. First time our eyes met, still feeling I'm good. Only feel my soul. I want to love you longer. There's still the fire. So if you feel lonely, don't. You're the only one I ever want. I only wanna make it good. So if I love you a little more than I should, please forgive me. I know that what you. Please forgive me. I can still love you. Don't deny me. Spend I'm going through. Please forgive me. I did you like I do. Pagkas na magpapatulog na. Still feels like our best time together. It's like the first dance. We're still getting closer, baby. And get close enough. Still holding on. You're still number one. I remember the smell of your skin. I remember everything. I remember almost. I remember you. Yeah. I remember the night I know still do. So if you feel lonely, don't. You're the only one I ever want. I only wanna make it good. So if I love you a little more than I should, please forgive me. I knew that what I do. Please forgive me. I can still love you. Don't deny me. It's when I'm going through. Please forgive me. I did you like I do. Oh, don't let me do what I say true. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Oh yeah. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Request ni Ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ba't ba't ka maglalas song, Mr. Nature?
Matulog na ako. Bye-bye.
Bah, linggo naman bukas. Wala naman yata kayong pasok.
Bali, ang linggo dito, Lunes sa atin sa Pinas. Friday sa Thursday ang day off natin.
Oh, okay. May don't know. Sorry. Thank you.
Okay lang. As we walk the golden path down the pretty aisles, I know that you are mine. And there's nothing in this world that I don't want to do, to be near you every day, every hour, every minute. Take my hand and let me lead the way, all to your life. Be by your side, they do us fine. Baby, I'll pay your friend. Love will never end, 'cause they do us fine. When I wake up every day, when you're lying in my arms, I wonder if I dream. When I look into your eyes, I just can't believe it's true. That's my heart belongs to you. Baby, we can't have it all. Take my hand and let me lead the way, all to your life. Be by your side, they know us fine. Baby, I'll be your friend. Shut us up. All to your life, be by your side, they do us fine. Baby, I'll pay your friend. Your love will never end. Today do us fine. Yeah, baby, I will be there, all to your line. Be by your side. Today do us fine. Baby, I'll be your friend. My love will never end. They do us fine. Thank you so much. makanta dyan.
Thank you.
Karaoke TV.
Mag-relax na. Ikaw naman, VIP ka naman kakanta.
Aba, ikaw muna kaya.
Ano po?
Ano? Eh, ano ko yung ano? Wala akong alam na kanta na eh. Sige na, kayo na. Support na lang ako. Love you guys. Pink Bicolana, thank you sa ticket.
Puro last songs na lang po eh. Ay, mag 3 hours na si Ma'am Peng. Sitting through a still wonder at this piano, trying to capture the moment this morning. I don't know. It's the battle because still learns my head is so late. Get my bed, think God is my bed. I just dream about movies that want me out when I play. But at this, I wake up every morning. But some arts and bandits that on bed on my head was the bed. About the things I long to believe, about the love, the truth that you mean to me. Truth is, baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay down a bed of roses for tonight. The bed of nails, oh, I wanna be just in closes, the holy causes, leave you out on the bed of roses. While I'm so far away, it's the that I take on my way home. I came around from them, I give its life through this people. There's a run out of them, or it's hard to get through. Till the bird and the wire flies me back to you. Just close my eyes, whisper, baby, it's true. I wanna lay down a bed of roses for tonight. I sleep in a bed. Oh, I wanna be just in closest, the holy causes. Take you down on the bed of roses. Thank you so much. Sa kayo pa, alam na guys. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good night. Ano, mag-ano na ba kayo?
Sa lahat. No, shout out.
Thank you. Miss Bicolana, ano?
Ang Vage, kanta ka, uy, mag-i-end na, kanta ka naman sa
Ha? Okay nga, pagbigyan ko isa. Ano yun? May ano? Okay lang ba? Mr. Nature, okay lang? O kumakamta pa si Mr. Nature, sorry.
Ikaw naman, Beige, naka-open siya.
Oh, okay.
Apa. Crash landing, shout out.
Tonight, there'll be no darkness tonight. Hold tight, let your love light shine bright. Listen to my heart and play your body next to mine. Let me fill your soul with all my dreams. You're a woman, I'm a man. This is more than just a game. I can make you feel so right. Be my lady of the night. You're a woman, I'm a man. You're my fortune, I'm your fame. These are things we can't disguise. Be my lady of the night. Lay back in my tender sleep, and take all my sweet cares. You get all of me. It can't go wrong if you agree. Soon two hearts will beat in ecstasy. You're a woman, I'm a man. This is more than just a game. I can make you feel so right. Be my lady of the night. You're a woman, I'm a man. You're my fortune, I'm your fame. These are things we can't disguise. Be my lady. Si Kang Atong Migalap shoutout. Crash landing. Migalap shoutout. You're a woman, I'm a man. This is more than just a game. I can feel it's so right. Be my lady of the night. You're a woman, I'm a man. You're my fortune, I'm your fame. These are things we can't disguise. Be my lady. Back to you, host and co-host. Thank you. Ay, may host, may tanong ako. Natulog na ba si Mr. Nature?
Hindi. Gisingin natin.
Pakigising mo nga kung mag-end ka, may itatanong lang ako dito sa V8 ko. Kung pwede.
Buhay pa yan.
Pakisabi naman kay partner mo, please, and thank you, and I love you.
Partner.
Kompleto, Ricardo's yun, ha?
Yes. Partner, wake up! Ayun man. Gising man ata yun.
Hindi nasagot eh. Sa'yo lang. Sabi, huy.
Uy.
Uy.
Makatulog na. Hindi. Baka Ayan.
Bakit? Mr. Nature, may tatanong lang ako sa V8 ko pa after this, ha? Kung okay lang sa'yo, kung hindi ako nakaabala. Thank you. Ba? Nasa baba siya? Ayos din yun, ha? Pwede pala ganun. Ayan, bumaba nga. Nakisuyo lang ako, bumaba.
Again, magkanta tayo. Try! Say that you're always been true. Looking in your eyes, I see you like you're trying hard to hide it. There's someone new you found it. You want me to believe that he's still here. Ay, saglit, hindi ako naka-estereo. Hindi ako naka-estereo kaya wala pangit yung boses ko. Parehas lang. Again. Again! Ayan, naka-estereo na ha. You say that you've always been true. Looking in your eyes, I see you lie. You're trying hard to hide it. There's someone you found it. You want me to believe that he is still there. How can he hurt me this way? Everything I know was loving you. How could you try pretending your love was never ending? Now you can't even say that you will say. You say you love me when you would believe me. How could you make me hurt so bad when I have blood mataas and believe the pain? Ano na tanong mo, Ma'am Jen? How can you hurt me this way? Everything I knew was loving you. How could you try pretending your love was never ending? Now you can't even say that you will stay. You say you love me when you won't go and leave me. How could you make me hurt so bad when I have loved you more than anyone can do? Can't believe the pain that I'm feeling now because of loving you. To understand how can love be so unkind. Still you broke my heart despite what I've done. Still my love was not enough. Did I give you my love? I can't take it anymore. Say you love me when you would go and leave me. How could you make me hurt so bad when I have loved you more than anyone can do? And believe the pain that I'm feeling now because of loving you. Kulana! Yes, but na! Ah, that is for me? Thank you so much. Go Batman. Ayan. Ma'am Vij, maglasong ka na, mag-end na tayo.
Nagluloko yung laptop. Ikaw na, Miss Bicolana. Para may papatanong ako sa inyong dalawan partner mo. Thank you.
Sige po. This is my last song, guys! Nag-practice lang naman ako nun. Ayan, matutulog na kami. I'm strong, I'm sure, I'm in control, a lady with a plan, believing that life is not a little package I hold in my hand. I've got it together, they call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. Still a tremble and a fool, run into the wall. Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love. I get out of school, I fight out of school, just another fool. You touch me in a week, antok na, I am feeder in a wind. And I can't wait to feel you touch me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. So pardon me if you stay and tremble like a child. That one single look all over your face is driving me wild. Just what you make me, can't wait till you take me and see all of my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be just another woman in love. I get out of school, I'll fight out of control, just another fool. You touch me in a week, I'm a feather in the wind. And I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. Just another woman in love. I get out of school, I'll fire out control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind. And I can't wait to feel you touch me in again. With just another woman in love. Ayan.
Thank you.
Ayan. Thank you so much everyone, guys.
Thank you, host.
Batman, thank you so much for the blessings. With whom you're in love, Batman. Ma'am Vij, thank you so much po sa pag-akyat. Baba na tayo. Magtawagan na tayo.
Hindi pa, papaturo sa inyo dapat sa backstage.
Ay, sa backstage?
Oo, tanong mo si Mr. Nature kung okay lang.
Sige. Mag-end na muna tayo. Huwag kang bababa. Mag-end
Okay,
ako.
thank you.
Sige guys, mag-insomnia muna ako. Kalimutan ko na mag-insomnia. Wait pa. Nagluloko ang ano mo? Be it?
Aha.
Ayan. Insomnia na po na tayo. Thank you so much everyone, guys.
sabi ni Mr. Nature.
Ayan na, binaba ko na. Thank you so much for the blessings, Go Batman. Ayan, mag-end na po tayo, ha? Akit ka na, partner, para i-end ko na to. Bye, may hagdan ulit. Hindi, mag-usap kami, Mrs. Johnny. Yung magpapaturo kasi si Ma'am Page doon sa B.Ed, sa sound card. Bali, kami na lang mag-uusap sa private, not public. Mag-private kami. Mag-i-end po kami, tapos kami, maiiwan na kami. Yung gaya sa atin, maiiwan kami dyan sa loob. Partner, akyat ka na po. Mag-end na ako. May biit ka na? May biit ka na? Wala pa. Pag may biit ka na, turuan ka namin. Para mapaganda yung yung lahat maging okay. Siya, si Mr. Nature, ang nagtuturo sa akin.
Shoutout sa lahat.
Thank you. Aray ko.
Aray!
Ba't umiiko dyan?
Ikaw nag-eeko dyan.
Everyone. Nakahiga na ako, guys. Matutulog na
Pasensya
ako.
na. Saglit lang sa paturo ko sa iyo, Mr. Nature at Miss Bicolana. Nasaan na si Miss Bicolana? Naka-end na ba siya?
Isin yung stereo nyo.
Yes, okay lang.
Wala na, awi.
Nakaiko na ako. Si partner.
Di pa na ako naka-echo kaya wala mo kay microphone.
Paano yun?
Yung iko ba? Hindi ako.